Morning, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I think it's January the 7th, 2026, early in the morning. What I'm doing is there's a leveling system. One, I can make just about any panel out there or modify your system to make it work to save you money. I'm making a video here on an SMC IDL leveling system. That's where the leveling legs are on the frame and they go to the suspension, the axles. Then it'll go to the ground. So there's a manufacturer out there in Oregon, Beaver, you $2,000 to make his panel. So basically, I'm going to make a video on step-by-step how to do this. So all the switches have a ground to turn the light on, the indicator light that the switch is on. All right, so I got one set and the other one's red. And then you got a power and you got a retract all. All right, so that means you'll be doing manual mode. I can make an automatic one, but that'll cost you more money. So basically what we got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of wire, 9. There are 9 wires by 3.5 inches long, 14 gauge. You could use 16. And that goes to the negative side of the switch. That's just turn the light on, folks. All right, and then each switch is marked. See, off or power, load, which is going to go to the solenoids, and then ground. All right, a load is anything that takes electrical energy and makes mechanical motion out of it, whether rotational or linear or in and out. All right, but that's what we did. We did the first case. I even got a template made to do this panel. So here's what I did. I drew up a little kind of like a flow schematic. So we got the B plus master. That's switch 1. That'll be this one here. There's a light. If you see a little green, that'll come on when it's on. So then you're in a fuse. All right, I'll put that in there, 30 amp. Then fuse 2 is 20 amp. That's the switch that feeds retract all. That'll be down here. This is the retract all switch. Then what you want to do is always when you level manually, you want to extend the front first and get them to touch. Don't lift the vehicle up, just, let it lift. Then you do the rear, right? And then you level side to side. So that'll be driver side, passenger side. So we have fronts, rears, driver side, passenger side. So front is both of them up front, leveling legs. Rear switch is both leveling legs in the rear. This is leveling legs on the driver's side, which is driver's front and driver's rear leveling leg, hydraulic cylinders. This is passenger side, passenger front leveling leg, hydraulic, and passenger rear hydraulic. Okay, which we have this in here, we're fixing it. We had to pull one cylinder off the other side, and we blew a line out to the passenger rear. All right, so that's those switches. Then you have a lowering switch to each one or a retract to each cylinder to help you level it. And we'll be putting a bubble in. I don't know how many videos they're going to be, probably 4 or 5 on this one, just to make this panel. And I'm going to try to keep it short. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Happy New Year to everybody. Don't forget, I have a mini campground, stay while you wait repairs. Now, this guy here has been here a month. He was supposed to be here in April. He didn't get here till December because he had a lot of problems getting here. But we're going to get him fixed up. All right, so remember, on this panel, I'm going to make parts, dimensions, everything. Drill bit size is all you need. Everything to make this panel yourself. I'm going to make the kit available to where you put it together or I put it together for you. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.